पटवाले साहेब इंचार्ज कलेक्टर पटवाले साहेब
तुम्ही आमकां गोंधळान घातल्या म्हणून हो प्रश्न जाला. तुम्ही आमच्या गोंयच्या लोकांक आमी उलोवपाक गेल्या सांगपाक गेल्या. आम्ही टेबल हाडटा आम्ही भाडे फारीक करता सांगात.
हो पटवाले साहेब
Mr. Kashinath Shetty, you are kindly requested to present your
आता फक्त तुम्ही आमकां सांगा स्टेज कित्याक लावून केल्या स्टेज कोणा लावून केल्या.
Why are you being so autocratic? How do people speak?
There was an order of the National Green Tribunal, original application 11 of 2014. Time start करो मरे. Time start करो.
Stop the time. Baba, he has not got papers, he got facts.
कलेक्टर साहेब आमची रिक्वेस्ट आसा कलेक्टर साहेब आमची रिक्वेस्ट आसा मातशें आमची अरेंजमेंट करा तुम्ही.
Shamsundar Sridhar Dalvi versus Government of India in original application 11 on 5th February 2015. The GCZME was told to not to issue any permissions in any way. The matter was regarding Donopola to Vaigini आणि सगळे offending structures घाल म्हणून सांगलेले and it was made clear on the part of state of Goa no construction shall be permitted within 100 meters of the STL in violation of CRZ. आणि हे आता GCZME has given all the permissions. Now these permissions will be included in the GCZME. We object to be included, including this finding. They had been told not to issue any permission, and this was afterwards in the matter of again original application Mehzad. It was said until today the order remains that no permissions can be given. Now we have raised an objection. We 9 people have raised an objection saying that the port area is extended without consultation and the CRZ line brought back to the fund after Environment Minister Mr. Nilesh Kabral, OSD Sanjeev Joglekar and DSLR one Mr. Nitin Mantri went to the strong room of NCNCM Chennai and got a full CZMP change. I want to know why they went to the strong room and why they got this, because we have a proof through the RTI that they have gone there and they have changed the thing. They have asked for this is the RTI and it is dated 30/7/2019 and the GCZMA has written to the NCNCM saying that mangroves having appeared now it is shown is completely different. Mangroves having appeared along the landward side in the sea with Kazan, aqua pond salts due to poor maintenance of bunds, sluice gate and breach in the bunds, thus should be STL should be demarcated along the bank of the rivers in such case. All Kazan. Now, if you are excluding this, CRZ 1 where it remains, Kazaland and such Sablezer Kale, this is one of the reasons why we are opposing this. Now, I have challenged the hazard line which has been removed. The hazard line which has been removed. The Survey of India began mapping the hazard line in 2011. Now this plan is of 2011. All the structures of it should be only till 06 January 2011. Now the project cost is around 1,156 crores have been spent. That is what has been given to me by MOEF. But the hazard line, which would have been a very good tool for the management purpose plan of this concern, have been removed. I don't know why this has been removed. This cannot be removed, and that too removed after the CZMP 2019, CRZ 2019 was notification was this done. Now, this hazard line is kept as a shoreline. It was a regulatory regime. All this because of the hoteliers, you have removed this hazard line, which has been challenged now. But that should be at least shown till the PI law for us is not decided. Why it is not shown? It has to be shown. And this, who will now, this 1,156 crores which have been spent on this hazard line, should be recovered from these officers of the ministers, otherwise. Now this, we say that this CZMP which is being done for hoteliers and building mafias. That can be known from the fact that Wangining, when it was that they are showing the permission by GCZMA. Now I have an objection about GCZMA. These people who have been nominated as GCZMA members have been selected and kept. They have not been come here as a merit. The honorable minister selects them and keeps them. आमचे काय घालचे ना they will put whichever हॉटेलाच्या खंयच्या बाउंड्री घालपाक जाय हॉटेलाक घालपाक जाय तेच घालतले ते आमचे काय घालना I challenge that now I am again challenging the composition of the members of the GCZMA which have been done without following the procedure. आता हायकोर्टान एक ऑर्डर पास केली 2007 आणि RSI रिमोट सेन्सिंग युनिट्स ऑफ हैदराबाद त्यांनी 2007 सगळे प्लॅन्स तयार केले. ते सगळे प्लॅन्स आता GCZMAच्या सायडीर आसात. दोज प्लॅन शुड बी इंडिकेटेड. तातून दाखयल्या खंयची घरां लीगल आणि खंयची घरां इल्लीगल. Even NGT has said you have to show which houses are legal and which are illegal. Now this CZMP which is there now prepared is 2011. So it should freeze. It should freeze on the day 6 January 2011. त्याच्यानंतरची सगळी घरां डिमॉलिश करून द्या, हॉटेलची डिमॉलिश करून द्या. But this, I don't know, this GCZMA will do it because those all the members are of political connections. I don't know if they will do. This should have been done. Now whether it is a draft or pre-draft, I don't know. Once I had argued about it in 2019 and all we had given an objection. Now again in 2020 we have given an objection. Again we have given now in 21. Last month we have given. Now it has been referred as pre-draft. It is a pre-draft or a draft, we don't know. We would like immediate clarification on that. Now to promote scientific approach for coastal management, demarcation of vulnerability line across the coastal area to migrate to infrastructure from natural hazard and preserve the long-term productivity of highly. Now we are saying हे बारीक फिशरमॅन कशें तुमी वाचयतले नाल्यार हे जर करना. फिशरमॅन has a right and out and that is given in the this CRZ 2011. They should be saved and their houses should be there. Now what happens is that बायणा बिचार सगळे रोकडे दुसऱ्या दिसा मोडटा आणि मायकल लोबोचे हॉटेल जेका डेमोलिशन आसा ते निलेश काब्राल environment minister not a collector who is there has demolished this. There is no order of NGT to stay this. म्हणजे मिनिस्टरान तुझ्या मनशांक डेमोलिशन असले GCZMA ने ऑर्डर दिली, रवी जान ऑर्डर दिली, मिस्टर याने ऑर्डर दिली तर काहीच ना करून अजून पर्यंत. Michael Lobo म्हणून तो environment minister does not want to demolish it. In Nazri Hotel, why it is not demolished? The order is of 9/7/2018. GCZMA, that's why I'm challenging. We have to challenge the composition of GCZMA. आणि कितें केलें एक मेंबर हाडून एक्सपर्ट मेंबर कितले बरे एक्सपर्ट मेंबर आहात. तुम्ही तुमकां जाय ते मिनिस्टर काढून सिलेक्ट करतलो आणि हे मिनिस्टराक जाय तोच हॉटेल वाचयतले आणि कोणाक ऑपोजिशनाची सगळी डिमॉलिश करून उडयतले लायक दे डिड इन बायणा. This will not go. हे कित्याक डेमोलिश करूंक ना नाजरी 2009/7/2018 बाय GCZMA. म्हणजे तुका आनी एक शोकॉज केली बायने शोकॉज वचच्या पयलीं विड्रॉ केली म्हणजे तुम्ही पावर मारून जाय तेजे विड्रॉ करता तुमकां घातले जाल्यार ते येस सर म्हणटले येस मिनिस्टर म्हणटले. सो दिस शूड नॉट इफ यू हे जर तुमचे कडेन डेमोलिश तुम्ही रिजायन जावपाचे मरे. हे मायकल लोबोचे हॉटेल कित्याक डेमोलिश जायना? आता तो कलेक्टरान म्हाका सांगले एनजीटीची ऑर्डर एनजीटीन ताका स्टे दिवंक ना आजपर्यंत कित्याक जायना डेमोलिश? इवन माय अदर केस ऑफ टिटोज इट इज नॉट डन एनीथिंग. सगळे थांबून दवरता जीसीझेडएमई. तांकां सांगले की थांबून दवरता बिकॉज दोज मेंबर्स आर ऑल तेंचे मिनिस्टराचे मनीस दे डोंट हॅव अ सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस. म्हाका डाऊट आसा हो हे कितें करतले हे सगळे जीसीझेडएमईचे आहात पळय हे मिनिस्टराचे मनीस हे सगळे बाकीचे कोण ऑपोजिशनाचे घरा मोडटले आनी फिशरमॅनाचे आपली तितली घरा दवरतले. So that's why these houses should be come on they are as per the High Court order which is there 2007 and सगळी घरा which is legal and illegal दिल्या. हांवें ते सगळे बरयला रेग्युलर करप्शन जाल्यार रेग्युलरायज जाता. तूं कितें दिलें जाल्यार रेग्युलरायज नाल्यार जायना. वी हॅव रिटन एवरीथिंग. आय पुट नॉट नाव 2019 घातला हांवें हें. हायटाईड लाईन 1 किलोमीटर उदकान. हाऊ इज दिस पॉसिबल? उदकान जर तुम्ही हायटाईड लाईन दाखयल्यार फक्त हॉटेलाच्या टायमार उदकान येता, बाकीच्या लोकांच्या टायमार तांची घरां मोडून वता. व्हॉट इज दिस? कशें तुम्ही केला सँड दिवनूय तशेंच आहा. आतां 15 मिनिटांन काय उलोवंक शकना. हांव फास्ट उलयता ते बिकॉज माय टायम इज टिकींग देयर. हांव तुमकां मेन पॉयंट सांगता ते ड्राफ्ट सारको टोटली आपल्या लोकांक घातल्या कोणाचे काडल्या असली घरां केल्या. बिकॉज तातूंत सीझेडएमपीचे बरोवन दिल्ल्या कशें सीझेडएमपी करपा जाय ते बरोवन दिल्ल्या फूल आसा. तशें कांयच केल्लें ना. हे पळय as per section 5 it starts from section 5 कशें CZMP preparation MOEF may obtain CZM prepared through the respective state governments of the GCZME कशें घालपा जाय गायडलायन सगळे दिले. इट इज नॉट डन. सगळी नाका जाल्लेले कितें काडून घातल्या. बरें देर इज वेटलँड्स कोस्टल वेटलँड्स आर देर दे आर इन्क्लुडेड सम आर नाव रिमूव्ड. द बंडाचे ह्या सायड पयलीं कशें आशिल्ले बंड येताले आणि खारे उदक थंय उरताले आनी मागीर शेळे उदक ताका लागून ते स्लुईस गेट आशिल्ले. आतां सगळेंच खारे उदक जालां. हाऊ यू कॅन सी इट इज अ वेटलँड इट इज अ डिफरंट वॉटर प्युअर वॉटर वेटलँड. इट इज अ सॉल्ट इट शूड कम. आतां ते वेटलँड रुल्स आणि CRZ rules are overlapping each other. So these coastal wetland also should be included, which should not be given to remote. आणि ती line asa ती last पर्यंत वचपा ते खंय ते उदक वता like which has been given here as per the definition. Okay. आता CRZ चे हे आसात casinos. अरे if you cannot do commercial, casino government commercial करता 12 notified it comes in CRZ 4 तांका परमिशनच ना CRZ ची. Why they are not shown? They should be shown. आता ते हॉटेल काय काढून थंय रावल्या. इट इज CRZ म्हणजे तुका हॉटेल काडपाक मेळना CRZ पूण तांची हॉटेलां घालपाक मेळटा. This should all come in CRZ 4 if it is there. It is in CRZ 4. It should come in CRZ. कोणाचे लीगल घरा कोणाची हॉटेलां बांदल्या सगळे दाखोवंक जाय. आणि दे शुड जसे इलिगल घालपाक परमिशन दितात तसे इलिगल मोडपाकूय परमिशन दिवंक जाय.
Kashina Shetty, you still have 5 more minutes.
How can you do this?
Kashina Shetty, you still have 5 more minutes.
आता in application the principal bench of NGT has relied upon the principle in application 677 of 2016 to cross the provision of the notification of ministry and MOEF dated 9 the exempting buildings and construction project from the mandatory requirement of obtaining environment while declaring its judgment. From the above comparative study, it is clear that a regime in terms of notification dated would be considered to dilute the environmental safeguards provided not only under the regulations of 2006 but even under the Act of 1986. The applicant have rightly placed of the principle of non-regression. Yes, सदा तुम्ही principle of non-regression आम्ही याद धरून जाय टू साल्वार करपाक आमचे सगळे. Under the international law of doctrine of non-regression, it is accepted now. It is founded on the idea that environmental laws should not be modified to detriment of the environment protection. This principle need to be brought into play today because today environment is facing a number of threats and such deregulation a movement to specify and the same time diminish environment legislation perceived as too complex and climate which माझ्या म्हणणे इतलें आसा हो प्लॅन आसा तो 6 जानेवारी 2011 ह्या दिसा फ्रीज जावंक जाय हेजे पळय तांणी इन्सर्ट केल्या आपल्या मनशाचे सगळे हे घालून आनी तांकां एनओसीज दिल्या which has to stop from 5th February 2015 जे परमिशनां दिल्या तितली इलिगल परमिशनां दिस इज आय मीन ऑन द पॉलिटिकल प्रेशर दिल्ली आहा तेजे म्हजे पेटिशन इज देअर इन एनजीटी इन 74 ऑफ 2017 म्हजे हांवें पेटिशन घातला ईच एंड एवरी मेंबराचेर पेटिशन आसा देयर इज अ फाईल सगळे मेंबरांचेर हे पेटिशन घातलेले आहा हे सगळे मेंबर आसा we have put a petition on all those members which are going we have filed a complaint against them which who have given the permission in violation to the order of NGT. Each and every member who is there has to answer this query of us. Full members. आता we say one thing. तुम्ही ते सारखे घाला तातून कितें आसा ते घरा ती ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल आसा ओडीपी प्लॅनर आणि ते रिजनल प्लॅनर ती घरा सगळी दाखया सर्वेन वचत जाल्यार तुमकां सगळी मेळटा खंयची इलिगल खंयची आतां गुगल मॅपिंग आसा तुमकां लोकल मनशाक गुगल मॅपिंग मेळटा ते गुगल मॅपिंगाचेर कोणाक इन्सर्ट करपाक आतां थोडी घरां इन्सर्ट केल्ली आहा थोडी हॉटेलां इन्सर्ट केल्ली आहा ती इन्सर्ट करपाक दिवपाचें ना शो देम पीपल शूड नो खंयची घरां वतली टील 2011 आणि खंयची घरां उरतली तुम्ही तांकां दाखयता तांकां शॉक आसतलो ते
2 minutes more to go.
येस खंयची घरां वतली आणि खंयची घरां वचची ना ती तांकां दाखोवंक जाय पुट इट ऑन मॅप सगळ्यांक दाखया बरें पंचायतीन दाखया खंयची घरां आशिल्ली खंयची घरां नाशिल्ली सगळ्यांक बरें गुगल इज ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल ती फक्त सुपर इम्पोज आमी सुपर इम्पोज केल्या सुपर इम्पोज करून हाडल्या काय जाल्यार तुम्ही काही दाखोवपाचे गव्हर्नमेंट प्रॉपर्टी तशेंच आनी हे करा न्ही तुम्ही सुपर इम्पोज स्पेशल बीच वी हॅव डन आता हे पयलींचे दोन शिवोली तो कसो प्लॅन आसा कशे गव्हर्नमेंट लँडाचेर आसा अशे प्लॅन्स आसा अशी घरां दाखयल्या खंयची घरां ओरिजिनल आसा ती आसा ही ओरिजिनल घरां ओके मागीर हे प्लॅन पळय 2000 हे तुका सगळे अवेलेबल आसात सगळे प्लॅन अवेलेबल हे पळय कांयच नाशिल्ले मागीर 2000 आतां पळय सगळे मागीर 2000तले हे 2000तले आतां तुका हेच क्लीन आशिल्ले तुका
Prashant, your time is up.
वन सेकंड हे पळय अशे सगळे प्लॅन्स आसा
The next speaker is Savio Brito. The next speaker is Savio Brito.